Hi friends, welcome to Migrate to Digital. So, what is the reason that I'm doing this session is nothing. I want to share the knowledge about on digital marketing that I have, so that it may help you or business, or else it may help you. So that is the reason I thought of starting this session. So at the end of the session, I'm not going to ask you guys to purchase my product, or I'm not asking you to purchase my premium course, or else I'm not going to ask you to buy my service. So it is purely a knowledge sharing session. So in this sessions, I'll be explaining you about online tools, both paid tools as well as free tools, and online strategies followed by the lots of companies, and the case studies of the project which I work with. So it will be a knowledge sharing session, as I said. So all these things will be covered in this. Before starting the session, I want to show a quote from Charles Darwin. So it is not the strongest man who survives, it is not the intelligent that survives, the one that is most adaptable to the change. It is from Charles Darwin. So in this pandemic situation, everyone is facing issue in running their business. Everywhere they are facing challenge in running the business. The new normal, no one knows how the new normal will be. So we want to adapt this change. We want to change our business strategy to sustain and survive. Hello friends, welcome to Migrate to Digital. In today's session, I am going to explain you about a best tool which helps for lead generation. The tool is called Snow.io. This tool will be helpful for all the business owners for lead generation. What it does, it fetches the email ID of a particular domain through their website, and you will be able to get the email ID of any person who are using the LinkedIn through their LinkedIn profile. It provides the complete list of people who are associated with the particular domain organization. Let's get into the dashboard. I am logging into the site. So it redirects me to the dashboard where I'll be able to do this. Here what you need to do is you go to the more tools. There is an option called email finder extension. Click on this email finder extension. It will redirect to you the Chrome web store, where you need to add the email finder extension to your Google Chrome. Once you add it, it will reflect like this. Here, email finder. So once you add it, you can go to any websites or any prospective client's website and enter the details, and you'll be able to fetch out the email ID of any person who are associated with the particular domain. For example, now I am going to nailpatel.com. In nailpatel.com, Nail Patel is one of the leading digital marketer in the world. So he's assisting and mentoring almost more than 1 lakh people in digital marketing. So here I went to Neil Patel website, and I am going to email finder to fetch the details of the people who are associated with the Neil Patel website. So I'm clicking here, looking for an email ID. I got a list of people who are working for neilpatel.com website. So Mike at Neil Patel, Nate at Neil Patel, Brazil at Neil Patel, consulting at Neil Patel. Even I am able to get the Neil Patel's email ID through this neil@neilpatel.com, neilp@neilpatel.com. Similar like this, any website or any domain or any prospective clients you are looking for it, you will be able to get their email IDs with the help of this simple tool. So here it is not only finding that email ID, you will be able to send a mass email, or else you can do a email marketing through the Snow.io. So if you go to this pricing, you will be able to get 50 credits on a monthly basis to check the email ID of any domain at free of cost. In case if you want to upgrade it, there is a pricing to it, where you will be upgrading your Snow.io account to a premium version, and you will be explore thousands and thousands of email ID. It not only uses through domain, it will be helpful to take the email ID from LinkedIn also. Let's check that as well here. Into my LinkedIn profile, and I am trying to get an email ID of any person who are there. So I am searching for someone who are not in Connect, so that I'll check whether I'll be able to get my email ID or not. So here I have got Steve. So data science leader. So I am clicking on him to find out his email ID. So I logged into this account and profile, and I clicked on email finder. So it shows that Forbes Technology Council, Steve. So he's from Forbes. I am clicking on find email and save it to my source. So now it is saved it to my new prospect list. Now I am going to the list, and I'm checking whether it is added to my domain or not. If you see steve.nori.acs.org.au, it is added to my prospect list and I'm able to reach out to him through this email ID. So I think this tool will be definitely helpful for you, for the people who knows the right contact but they are not able to establish a contact with them because of the non-availability of mobile number or email ID. Here you will be able to send lots of cold emails to do a sales pitch for your business, and you'll be able to reach out to your potential client without meeting them physically. This tool will definitely helpful for you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video and if you think this is useful, you can share it with your friends. For regular updates, you can subscribe my weekly email so that you'll be getting my videos to your inbox directly. Thank you.